wonderful Easter. I am doing another haul. This is some things that I had hauled last week that I just didn't get to share with you guys. So anyway, we had a very nice and very relaxing Easter. I didn't see my family. I saw them yesterday. I saw my sister and sister-in-law and brother, and anyway, today it was just very relaxing, a very lazy day. We overslept. We missed our brunch, but that was okay. My husband just picked up some sushi and watched movies, so it was really, really very nice. So okay, so this haul is a little bit of Hobby Lobby and some mostly Michaels. So let me just share that with you guys. So first of all, last week I went to Hobby Lobby and I wanted to get some paper, like the single sheets, and I found some stickers. So I did pick these up, and they were only 62 cents, you guys. So I went ahead and picked this up. It looked like they were setting up a new section, and that's where I found these. But look how pretty they are. It's a carousel. So I thought that was really cute, and it was only 62 cents. I picked up this sticker sheet by Me and My Big Ideas, and there's 154 pieces here, and I just thought it was really pretty. And it has a lot of, you know, friend quotes or friend words. So, and it was only $1.25, so they do give you several sheets here. So I thought that was cute, and I like these. Fun, fun. These are really pretty too. And they're clear stickers, so these will be great to put on Happy Mail, you know, or even on those embellishment boxes, I thought. So yeah, it looks like they're planner, some of them are planner stickers. I'm sure they're probably all planner stickers, but you can definitely use it for other things. So yeah, those are the clearance stickers that I did find. And let's see, and then I got a couple of vellum paper. I think these were 50% off, if I'm not mistaken. So I bought these two. I can't remember now if this was from Michaels. Maybe this is from Michaels. Hold on. Because I did go to both. Well, I know they have vellum in both places. But this one, I know this one's Hobby Lobby. And then I was looking for iridescent paper. I mean, the holographic paper. This was the only one that I really liked. And it's actually a sticker. So they're mini silver stars. $1.99, but they were 50% off. And I think that, yeah, I think these were 50% off. And then I got this one, which it has this line here. I don't know. It's a few of them were just messed up. The thing was, they were peeling off and they were sticking to each other. Anyway, this one was really pretty. This is holographic diamonds. And again, self-adhesive, so you just peel the top off. So I got those. I thought that would be fun for, you know, a unicorn project. So that's what I got from Hobby Lobby. I think, was that it at Hobby Lobby? I think so. I did a little bit of online shopping, so let me just do that one first. This is from Etsy, and there's a store that I buy from, and I will leave the link down below. It's PerriAnnsArtNthings, I believe. And I love, you know, some of the items that they sell, and she gets in new stuff all the time. This was a freebie, so that's so sweet. She always, the owners always give me a little freebie, so it's so nice. This is the Brad's from the Reset Girl, Simple Stories, which I don't have. but they're super cute. It's very vintage. I saw this on the site, their site, and I usually don't get the La La Land. I hope I didn't show this already. I usually don't get the La La Land stamps, but this particular one, she's Molly with coffee. I thought she was really cute, and it was really cheap. It was like, I can't remember if it was like $4.99 or $5, but it was such a great price that I could not pass it up. And it has sentiments like this one, but first coffee, and then coffee because adulting is hard. I didn't even remember reading that one, but I just thought it was so cute. And then the reason I went on their site was I saw this one too. I think I was just browsing, but I saw this, and I know some of you guys have hauled this from Tuesday Morning, and I believe it was the same price, so that's why I just grabbed it. And this makes the little bag. I hope I didn't share this already, but it's by Chamel, and it makes a cute little treat bag, if it's a treat bag. And there's 6 metal dies, so it comes with the heart and the banner, this little corner piece here, this banner that says lovely, and this shape. And then of course the little bag. I thought it was a box actually, because it looks very boxy, but it turns out it's not. But I still got it because I thought it was really cute. So yeah, I got that online from Etsy. And then Michael. So this was one of the things I had gotten when their storage stuff were on sale. And I believe I only paid $1 something. Really, really cheap. Okay, so I think this was a couple of different Michaels. I bought these because I saw them and I thought, how cute, and I had never seen these at Michael's. They were on clearance. They're usually $5.99. It was clearance for $2.99. And so that's like 50% off. Not exactly clearance, but, and I didn't realize there were buttons, but they were just so cute. I don't know, it just caught my eye, and I just started looking, and they had several different themed ones. So this one's sweets. There's an ice cream, there's a snow cone, and then sweeties, some candy. This one was really cute. So it's a little glam one with nail polish, some lips, and a little shoe bag there, it looks like. Really cute. So they're enamel pin sets by Derice. And I just thought they were really cute. I don't know. I'm hoping that I can just easily pop off the back and even use them like a sticker, depending on what the project I'm doing. But these are really cute also if you have a themed project. You can like put it with their packaging. Let's say you put tulle around something. You can also stick it as a pin in the middle of your bow. So that would be really cute. Just some ideas. But I couldn't help myself. I just had to grab them. So here's one that has sunglasses and a bicycle, and it says love. I just thought it was really cute. You know, great for summer. This one, another cute sweet themed macaroons. And then, oh, I think I got another one of these. And then I decided to grab these, and I believe these were 40% off. I can't remember if it was 40 or 50% off. So I went ahead and grabbed them because I thought they're really cute. And the Pemberleys were, I want to say these were on sale too, because I don't think I would have grabbed 3 of them. I got this one, and I believe I've seen this before. Let me see if there's a year on it. I've seen this before, yeah, 2016, but I never picked it up. I can't remember though if someone gifted me one, but I couldn't remember if I had it or not in my stash, so I went ahead and grabbed it just in case. I could always bring it back. I just thought it was super cute. And then this one I hadn't seen. It's a little teapot and teacups, and you get all these little teacups cups. I love this one especially. I hope I'm in frame. So I thought that was super cute. And then I saw these, and they're really pretty cameos. And since, you know, it was on sale, I decided to grab them. And then these were also on sale, and these are called Bits and Baubles. And I was thinking I'm gonna take them apart and use these for something, for a charm bracelet maybe. I don't know. I think that's what this is for, charm bracelets. So that's a sweet theme. This one is, again, another glam theme. And look at the little bow. Of course, the beads are, what do you call these kind of beads? It escapes me, but anyway, I think it's really pretty. And then lastly, there's another summer theme. And look at the slippers. I just thought they were so adorable. And, you know, this was like, I think this was last weekend or something. I can't even remember exactly when I got it, so I couldn't tell you how much these are. Probably like $2 or something like that. I don't know where my receipt is. The beads were also on sale. I think they were 60% off, something like 60 or 70% off of the, I think it was just the green green labels. But I really didn't find anything cute. These were the only ones that really caught my eye. So I did grab these. These are cute for small embellishment making. So I did grab these two. And then another time when I went, when they had a sale on stickers still. Let's put these over here for a sec. I did grab a couple of other stickers. I was looking for more food stickers. I only found this one right here, though, that I thought was really cute with the macaroons and the candy bar, cotton candy cake. It's really cute. S'mores. The cake pops. I was looking for the other ones that had cake pops on it. But this is the only one I found. And then the only other, oh, a couple more stickers. Shopaholic, I thought this one was really cute. So again, I believe this is when it was 60% off. And then I did get this one. I think this was only about $1. I just thought the little candles were really cute. Did I show you guys these already? I hope not, because I had it in a bag. And of course I went back there because also I wanted to get the sticker sheets. These. Did I show you guys this one already? I can't remember. Anyway, this is from the $2 bin, and I never noticed it before. I've always just thought they were like, you know, little planner stickers, and I'm like, okay, well, you know, I have a lot of stickers. I'm trying not to get any more planner stickers. But when, I think it was Tara who showed this on her video, she said they had the words in the back, and sure enough. And so I said, oh my gosh, I have got to get these because for making small embellishments, they're just really cute to use. And so I got the different colors. So I got this one. The words are the same, they're just different background color, because they're all gold foiled. But I like that. And yeah, so I got all of these. And these were on sale. I actually, at that time, I think if you buy 2, you get 1 free. Yes, that's what it was with the stickers. You buy 2, you get 1 free. So I should have grabbed another one, because for some reason I thought it was all the $2 items, not just the stickers. I don't know. It was just very confusing. And then I had a 30% coupon that I thought I could use, and I really thought I could use the 30% coupon, but I guess the coupon I gave her was not quite the right one, and she said no, that it didn't start until 5 o'clock or 3 o'clock or something like that, and I said, what? So there were 2 different 30% off coupons, apparently. One started in the afternoon, and then one, I don't know if I got it through the mail or something. and I was showing her the wrong one. I mean, seriously, she could have just given it to me. But no, sometimes it just depends on the cashier you get, you know. Sometimes they just kind of give you a hard time, and it's like they don't want you to get a discount or something. So I couldn't use, I had to pay full price for this one, but I already had it in my hands, and the Michaels that I went to last time, they ran out of these. So I just said, you know what, I'm just going to pay for it. I think this was $3.99, $2.99 or $3.99. I just went ahead and got it. And I had some trims, Martha Stewart trims, but I put that one back because that one was more expensive. And then these were $2. I think I did end up paying $2. I can't remember if I got a discount on these. Because, again, I was just like, it was very confusing. I did pay 40% off this one, or 50% off. Can't remember. But this is the Punderful. Sorry, I hope I'm in frame here because I kind of fiddled around with my camera setting. I just thought it was really cute, and I did make a card for my husband because it's his birthday. And I'll have to share that with you guys. I don't have it on hand with me. I think it's downstairs. But I had to make a cute card because of these cassette tapes. It's very retro. Cassette tapes, and there is a unicorn in here that has, that's like a little DJ, and it was just so adorable. I had to make a card. Now I can't find him. But anyway, maybe you guys have seen this. But yeah, this was in the paper aisle. And then I did grab some adhesive, also from the $2 bin, because I needed one to carry around with me when I do planners. You know, decorate my planner with Sophia. Hey girl, hopefully we can do that soon. I picked these up too so that I can also pack this when we're doing when we decorate our planners. And I love the colors, and I hope this Craft Smart brand works well. I've never tried it. Let me know, guys, if you have, and let me know how they work. Does it dry fast? You know, what kind of ink is this? Doesn't really say, so I don't know. Let me know. And then I got this also because, again, I was thinking that things were on sale in the $2 bin. And then the ribbon were on sale, so I did buy the ribbon and the tulle, and these were 40% off. So I believe these were $2.99, and I got 40% off that. So that was a good deal. And then these were, I can't remember how much these are, but these were also 40% off. And they're just so pretty. I decided to grab it. And then this one too, because I like the pink color. It just reminds me of that ribbon that my friend Mimi gave me, but the texture is different and the design is different, but it's pink. And it's from the same vintage blush collection, like this one. Remember this one that I used for my box, for my embellishment box? I wanted to do an embellishment box with a pink bow, so I wanted to grab this one. So yeah, that is my haul, and I think that's it. I hope you guys have a wonderful week, and I'll talk to you guys later. Thanks so much for watching. Bye for now.